Hello children, welcome back to our class. Should open the page number 55. Yes, English. Open the page number 55. Yes, in our previous class, we have finished our rain lesson, right? What is our unit 5? Rain. Yes or no? Yes, we have finished the lesson. Here in this, we have seen few children. Abhi, Sidhu, Meena and their friends. Yes or no? And also two pets. What are they? Sweetie and Snoopy. So here, the rain is on the houses, roads, hills, flowers, fruits, leaves, green grass. Yes or no? Yes, the rain is everywhere. Then here, few children are floating their boats, right? Some children are jumping. Sweetie and Snoopy. See, it is Snoopy, it is Sweetie. Snoopy and Sweetie are also playing with the children. Children are splashing water on each other. They are very happy in the rain. Yes or no? They are very happy. They are enjoying a lot in the rain. Right? What are the boys floating? The boys are floating boats. What other things are children doing? Some children are jumping. Yes or no? Some children are splashing water on each other. Splashing in the sense నీళ్ళు చల్లుకుంటున్నారు. Yes. Next, who else are playing with the children? There are two animals, in the sense Snoopy and Sweetie, pet animals, right? Yes, Snoopy is a cat, Snoopy is a dog, Sweetie is a cat. Okay, we can see Snoopy and Sweetie also with the children. Do you like playing in the rain? Yes, we all like playing in the rain, but you should not play in the rain because you get cough, cold, sneeze, everything. Huh? Yes, if you want to play in the rain, you should use umbrella. Yes or no? Yes, you have to use umbrella. Here Meena used umbrella to come out into the rain so that she can't get wet. Yes or no? Yes, tadvakunda, she used wet in the sense tadvakunda. So umbrella protects us from the rain. And also what? Raincoats. We have to use raincoats and umbrella if we go out in the rain. Got it? Got it, children? Yes. Yes, so turn the page number 55, 55. See here, do the following. Here we have fill in the blanks, choose the right word from the brackets. Here we have 5 fill in the blanks and he gave hints. Okay, two hints. So we have to choose the correct word from it and you have to write it in the fill in the blank. In the blank. Got it? Yes. First one, the road is full of dash water vehicle. The road is full of water because it's raining. So no, what happens if it rains? Road fills with water, right? Yes, right, water here. Water spelling WATER, water. WATER, water. Okay? WATER, water. Water. Next, second one. There are water droplets on dash, grass, fruits. See here, look into the picture. There are water droplets on the green grass. Yes or no? Here there is rain on the fruits, not water droplets. But water droplets are on the green grass. Okay? Yes, here grass. Grass spelling GRASS. Grass. Write grass in the second one. Second blank. Next, Meena is in the dash veranda kitchen. Here where is Meena? Meena is standing in the veranda. Veranda ante inti bayata veranda untadu kada? Yes, veranda. Veranda. Right here. VERANDAH. Veranda. Meena is in the veranda. Got it? Yes, next, fourth. Children are dash happy or sad? Happy. Yes or no? Children are very happy. Why? Because they are playing in the rain. Yes, happy spelling HAPPY. 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 Got it? Happy. Happy. Next, fifth one. Abhi and Sidhu are playing with dash, paper boats, toy train. Here, Abhi and Sidhu are playing with what? Yes, paper boats. Yes or no? Yes, so right here. Paper boats. Paper. Paper. Boats. Boats. Paper boats. What it is? Paper boats. So first one, the road is full of water. Okay, you can tick here. Water. The road is full of water. There are water droplets on grass. Yes or no? Yes. Meena is in the veranda. Children are happy. Abhi and Sidhu are playing with paper boats. Got it? Yes. Next, answer the following questions. See here. Why are the children happy? Tell me, why are the children happy? Here you can see, why are the children happy? Children are happy because they are playing in the rain. Yes or no? Yes. So here what you have to write? Right, children. Why are children happy? The children are happy because it's raining. Okay? Right. The THE, the children. CHILDREN, children. The children are happy. The children are happy because it's raining. Because spelling BECAUSE. Children are happy because it's raining. Yes or no? Yes, it's raining. 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 The children are happy because it's raining. Got it? Next one. How does Meena not get wet? Here, why? How does Meena not get wet? Wet? Because she is not wet because she is under an umbrella. Okay? Meena is not wet. Meena is not wet because she is under an umbrella. 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 Okay? See, Meena is not wet because she is under an umbrella. She is under an umbrella. Okay? Got it? Yes, next one. What things do you use to protect yourself from rain? What things you use? What things you use? Yes, use umbrella and raincoats, right? Yes. I use umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. I use umbrella and 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 raincoat, RAIN, rain, COAT, coat. I use umbrella and raincoat to protect, PROTECT, protect అంటే కాపాడుకోవడం. ఓకే, protect myself, MYMYSELF, self, from rain, FROM, from, RAIN, rain. Okay, yes, what it is? I use umbrella and raincoat to protect myself from rain. Okay, got it? Yes, once again, see this. Why are the children happy, children? Yes, the children are happy because it's raining. Yes or no? It is raining, so all the children are happy. They are playing, jumping, splashing water on each other, floating paper boats. They are very happy, dancing, jumping, playing. Yes or no? Yes. Next, how does Meena not get wet? Meena is not wet because yes, Meena is not wet because she is under an umbrella. She is under an umbrella. Yes. What things do you use to protect yourself from rain? I use umbrella and raincoat to protect myself from rain. Yes or no? When it is raining, if you want to go outside, you have to use umbrella or a raincoat. Okay? Okay? Yes, umbrella and raincoat protects us from the rain so that we can't get wet, and then we can move, we can walk, we can run in the rain, we can play in the rain. Okay? Yes, next here you see, I am the boss of my body, I can take care of my body, I respect all parts of my body. So here what it is, I am the boss of my body, in the sense we are the boss, we are the boss of our body. Yes or no? Yes, we have so many parts. How many parts? So many parts: head, ears, eyes, nose, shoulder, legs, hands. Yes or no? We have so many parts. So here you are the boss of your body, I am the boss of my body. Yes or no? I take care, I can take care of my body, you have to take care of your body, and you have to respect all parts of your body. Got it, children? Yes, so you are the boss of your body, you can take care of your body, and you respect all parts of your body. In the sense, నీ బాడీని నువ్వే చూసుకోవాలి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, యు ఆర్ ద బాస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ బాడీ and you have to take care of your body. You have to wash, you have to bath daily. Okay, you have to clean yourself, you have to wear new, you have to wear fresh clothes. You have to take care of your body. Got it? Yes, then you have to respect all parts of your body. Yes. So here you are the boss of your body, you can take care of your body, and you have to respect all parts of your body, because yes, if you take care of your body, then itself you can work, you can read. Yes or no? You have to take good food so that you can grow, your body grows. You have to take nutritious food. Okay, egg, milk, egg, you have to eat egg, milk daily, 1 glass of milk and daily 1 boiled egg, so that it gives you strength, it gives you strength to your body. Yes or no? If you take good food, your body grows up. If your body grows, you can do anything, you can read, you can run, you can walk, everything you can do. If you don't eat good food, what happens? You don't get strength, you don't have energy, you are not strong, you become weak, so that you can't study, you can't read, you can't write, you can't do anything. And if you take good food, you will be healthy. If you did not take any good food, what happens? You become unhealthy, and what happens? You become sick every time. Got my point? And also, if you get wet in the rain, yes, you become sick. Yes or no? So if you go out in the rain, you have to use umbrella or raincoat, so that you don't get wet, and you can protect yourself from the rain. Got my point? By that, in that way also, you are taking care of your body. Yes, if you go out in the rain, what happens? You get wet and you become sick, you get cold, cough, sneeze, everything. It means you are not taking good care of your body. Yes or no? So you have to take good care of your body, you have to eat well, you have to eat nutritious food, you have to be so strong, so that you can't get any kind of seasonal cold, seasonal cough diseases or something like that, flu. Okay? Yes. So we'll continue the next topic in the next class.